Mastic on Instagram. And we just out here for the dog walkers, SBs. But this shit grimy over here, bro. They only get like 5-6 pairs.
5-6 pairs. What's the retail on them?
Bro, the retail's supposed to be 100, and then this guy runs it up to 150, but he still tries to run it up an extra 40 to 200, bro. Major grimy shit going on in this skate shop, bro, but it's all good.
Keeping or reselling?
Yeah, we can still resell them things, you know?
I feel you, I feel you.
You know, Daniel 3 on Instagram, you already know he out here for the dog walkers, you know. Anyone for the personal, you know, where I'm at line doesn't look like, you know, doesn't look like a personal pair, you know, maybe like for the resale, maybe for the swap.
What spot are you in line?
For way back, 7.
7, okay, well we gonna see my man. Let's hopefully we touch.
Yup, respect out there.
Yes sir, make sure y'all get that follow out there. Shout out to the Cook Boys. Look, bro, you first in line, bro. Let them know what time you get out here.
We got here once they posted a picture of the shoes.
Just straight cut, huh? Let them know to follow you on the IG. What's your IG?
Resell's LA.
Straight notified.
Yeah.
We need subscriptions. Dang, so it looks like what we did, man. Show the stick. Show the stick.
When we get here late, we get cooked.
Cooked.
Cooked, bro.
Cooked. Let them know, man. It hurts. It hurts.
It hurts, bro.
Look, living another day. 4 pairs. 1, 2, 3.
So we're at our second location at Kingswell. We're hoping to cop a pair of the Nike SB dog walkers that released on 420. We're at Los Angeles, California. Let's get it.
So what is the procedure for calling tomorrow?
So tomorrow I will hopefully call you.
Yes, sir.
I do it old school.
I like it old school way. It makes it more about winning game, keeping it to community.
Yeah, so I do it old school. I'm fair. I blind grab. As I go through stock dwindles, you know what I mean? But if I pick your name and I don't have your size, I'm still gonna call you.
Oh, cool.
Let you know what I do have, because I did pick your name, and I'll give you the option to either take or bow out. You know what I mean?
Cool, I like that. That's
keep
cool.
Keep it fair, keep it straight, you know, like make sure everybody's, you know, got that option on the counter, alright?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Alright, brother.
Alright, appreciate it.
Be
Yes,
safe,
sir.
alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright, welcome back YouTube. It's Jay Hyped On. So we're going to our third location for the raffle of the Nike SB Dog Walk. And we just hit Transport Skate Shop in Los Angeles, Glendale, California.
I only started really quick, maybe like a year and a half ago. So yeah, now I know where we go.
For the YouTube, for the store, how long you guys been in business?
We've been in business for 12 years.
12 years, okay. And so you guys will be hosting a raffle for the dog walk tomorrow, right?
Yes, we will. We'll be calling all of the winners by 12 o'clock tomorrow, so good luck.
Thank you, thank you. And do the winner gets to pick their size, or is it just the size you put down on the
You
ticket?
can write a size down on your ticket, but then of course you get to choose from whatever's left.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty dope. I'm pretty excited.